This is how you turn off the sounds your iPhone makes, but keep the vibrations. So you can still get your notifications, only they're not as annoying. This is great for meetings, movie theaters, things like that. So on older phones, like this one here, there's a switch on the side of the phone that you can flick up and down. And when I flick it, I get a little message on the screen. If I flick it down, it says silent mode on. Flick it up and you see ringer with a little volume bar. So if I flick it onto silent mode, then vibrations are on, but all the sounds are off. On newer phones, iPhone 15 and newer specifically, there's a button on the side. I don't know which button, but it's one of these buttons that you push and hold for a second and you'll see silent mode pop up. You can also swipe down, and in the control center, there's a little bell icon that'll turn on silent mode as well on the newer iPhones. Older iPhones don't have that in the control center. And then get this free PDF document right here. It's going to help you scam proof your phone. Just scan this QR code right here if you're watching on a TV, or click the link at the top of the description or in the pinned comment. It'll get you there, and you can get this completely for free and scam proof your phone. And then check out this video on your screen. It's going to help you get back tons of space on your phone by emptying the hidden trash cans. So make sure you check that out next. I'll see you there.